How do we subtract dissimilar fractions? 3/4 minus 2/5. Let's apply the cross multiplication method. Multiply the denominators. 4 times 5, 20. So we write 20, and then 3 times 5, 15, minus 4 times 2, 8. Then subtract 15 minus 8, 7 over 20. 6 over 8 minus 1 over 4. Let's apply the LCD. 8 and 4 has an LCD of 8. 8 divided by 8, 1 times 6, 6. Minus 8 divided by 4, 2 times 1, 2. Then subtract 6 minus 2, 4 over 8. Let's simplify our answers. They are both divisible by 4, so divide by 4 by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 over 2. So 1/2 is the final answer. 21 over 24 minus 11 over 36. 24 and 36 are both divisible by 12. So divide them by 12. 24 divided by 12, that is 2. 36 divided by 12, 3. Then cross multiply 21 times 3, that is 63. And then minus 2 times 11, 22 over 24 times 3, that is 72. 2 times 36 is also 72. So our denominator is 72. 63 minus 22, that is 41 over 72. 14 over 25 minus 6 over 15. 25 and 15 are both divisible by 5. So let's divide them by 5. 25 divided by 5, 5. 15 divided by 5, 3. Then cross multiply 14 times 3, that is 42. Then 5 times 6, 30. So minus 30 over 25 times 3, 75. 5 times 15, 75. So our denominator is 75. 42 minus 30 is 12 over 75. Now, let's subtract similar fraction. For similar fraction, simply subtract the numerator only. 5 minus 2, 3 over, copy the denominator. And always simplify the answer in its simplest form. So 3 and 9 are both divisible by 3. So let's divide them by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 9 divided by 3, 3. So the final answer is 1/3. 7 over 10 minus 5 over 10. 7 minus 5, 2. And then copy the denominator 10. Then simplify. They are both divisible by 2. So let's divide them by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1 over 5. There are two ways in subtracting whole number and a fraction. The first method is subtract 1 to the whole number. That will become 4 and create fraction similar to the denominator of the other fraction, 7. That will be 7 over 7. 7 divided by 7, 1 plus 4, that is 5. Then subtract 3 over 7. Copy the whole number 4. And then 7 minus 3, 4 over 7. So the answer is 4 and 4 over 7. The easiest method is by simply multiplying the denominator by the whole number, that is 40, and then subtract 2, that is 38 over 5, and then convert the improper fraction to mixed number. 38 divided by 5, That is 7 and 3 over 5.